7:31 a.m. Doppler radar and
Alexa,
automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms
Alexa,
producing heavy rain
read my
in
notification.
Owensboro. Between
One
1
new
and 2 inches
notification
of rain have
from
fallen in
Alexa.
the past
EAS
hour.
National Weather Service has
Flash
issued a
flooding is
flash flood
ongoing
warning
or
for
expected
Lucia.
to begin
It'll
shortly.
be in effect until September
Expected
3rd,
hazards include
7:30
flash
a.m.
flooding caused by
CET.
thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar and automated gauges. An automated rain gauge at City Hall in Owensboro measured 2 inches in the past hour. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Owensboro, Masonville, Stanley, Knoxville, St. Joseph, and Mosleyville. An additional 1 to 2 inches is expected in the next hour. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties: Davis, Kentucky,